Rouge. Quit it! Multi-bright.
We just got back from House of Sephora.
And this is the goodie bag.
Let's check out everything that's new and upcoming in Sephora. And of course, the most exciting launch is Hourglass.
We got the Unreal Liquid Blush in the shade Vision and also the blush brush.
Nest New York has to be one of my favorite brands in Sephora right now.
And this is their newest scent. It's called Watermelon Peony. Oh, that is so refreshing.
It smells like the watermelon flavor from 5 Gum. New from Givenchy Beauty is this one, which is coming 1st of April.
This is their color correcting serum primer and it comes in 3 shades, pink, green and blue, and they each have different skincare benefits too.
We both got pink,
which is perfect for brightening the under eye area.
We also got personalized custom mirrors from Givenchy Beauty.
And how cute are they? This is Bioma's Biocollagen Radiance Facial Mask.
This comes out 17th of March and it's a 20-minute peel-off mask that leaves you radiant and glowing.
Probably the launch I'm most excited about is the Laneige Juice Pop Box Lip Tint.
This launches today and it's inspired by the Jukebox.
It's available in 6 shades. I've got Mocha Remix.
And I've got Popstar Peach.
Launching March 17th, Clean Reserve is a New York-based fragrance company and it's finally hitting Sephora Australia.
Their latest release is Caramel Swirl, and as a gourmand girly, this one slaps. They also gave us the Gourmand Goodies layering collection.
And I love a layering moment.
Yes.
Bang & Body are releasing a firming milk essence and mist on April 15th.
We both received the essence. This one has hyaluronic acid, ceramide and niacinamide, and it smells divine, guys. Naturium is still a relatively new brand to Sephora Australia, and these are the 2 new products that we got.
This is their Multi-Bright Milky Toner and their Advanced Serum. Both help to gently exfoliate the skin and improve the appearance of dark spots.
I especially love the lactic acid in the serum because this is one of my favorite ingredients.
And the best part of today was that we got to meet Susan Yara and she's the best.
Fresh are launching a new product called the Melt Lip Cream.
It's not a lip balm, not a lip gloss, but something in between. And there are 3 shades available: Blood Orange Zest, Watermelon Rind and Mango Pulp.
Australia is the first one to receive this ahead of the launch in April.
That's crazy because we never receive anything first.
Yeah. I'm so excited about this one because Way is releasing a Bond Repair Balm.
This is so good because it means you don't need conditioner or any other leave-in products. This is the only thing you'll need.
And it only takes 3 minutes of application from mid to ends.
So convenient and good for my blonde hair.
Yep. By Rosie Jane just came out with my favorite perfume and it's called Matilda. It's out now. Its top note is passion fruit. It smells divine.
I love it. It smells exactly like passion fruit pavlova to me. I'm so devastated. I didn't get this one in my bag actually, but I'll be definitely picking it up. Ole Henriksen have a new shade of their cult favorite Pout Preserve Lip Peptide Treatment and it's called Sweet Macaron.
This one actually smells so sweet and delicious and it's one of my go-tos for lip products. Highly recommend this one.
Oh, it's so good. So moisturizing.
Super nostalgic vibes, but Clinique just came out with 6 new shades of their Chubby Stick and 4 colors of the Contour and Highlight Stick.
Got Ramped Up Rouge, which is a red blush, and I heard that this is what the VS Angels are wearing.
And I got Plumped Up Peony, which is perfect for a dark winter girl like me.
This is landing in Sephora in a few weeks.
Pixie Beauty have so many new launches coming end of March, and this is one of them.
This is called Liquid Glow and I have the shade Fresh.
I have the shade Subtly.
This is a multi-use product and can be used on the eyes, cheeks and lips, under or over makeup.
We are back with another personal favorite brand of mine, Salt and Stone, and they are coming out with a new body oil and body wash in all their scents. This one is one of my favorite. I have the scent Santal and Vetiver.
And I have the scent Bergamot and Gnocchi. I really love this because unlike other body oils, this one absorbs super quickly and leaves your skin with a beautiful glow. This is Skin Fix's newest launch and it's a 15% vitamin C serum. It's coming next week.
We love a brightening and firming serum.
New from Fenty Beauty is Rihanna's favorite lip combo. This is a gloss bomb sticks and pencil lip liner in the shade Rose Amber and it's a nudie brown.
We also received the Plush Pudding in Cacao. The browns are really popping off in 2026.
And this is coming out tomorrow.
We received a range of serums in our goodie bag. Starting off with Paula's Choice, we have their new Cellular Youth Longevity Serum, which I love. And then from Anua, we have 2 here. The Vita 10 Pore Strix which is a brightening serum. And then we have their famous PDRN serum.
And a personal favorite of mine, this is coming soon from Asura. This is their A-Seeker 365 Soothing Relief Serum, and it's wildly popular in Korea. I'm so happy we have it now in Australia. And from the Inky List is a Starter Retinol Serum, which is perfect for beginners.
We received a range of scents in our goodie bags.
We both got something from Who is Elijah. I got Electric Soul, which is a floral musk.
I got Ocean Breeze. This is a very sea, like fresh kind of scent.
And we both got something from Maison Louis Marie, and I got the perfume oil in a vanilla scent.
I got the same scent, but in the Eau de Parfum.
We also got something from Kayali. It's their Freedom Musk Santal scent.
This is supposed to be a really good base layer for fragrance layering. We also got Commodity Milk Orchid. This is a very creamy, milky scent. Speaking of makeup, we also got heaps of that in the goodie bag, starting off with the YSL Love Shine. This is the limited edition in Berry Crush.
Next up, we've got some blushes. First up, of course, the iconic Rare Beauty. I've got the shade Adore.
I've got Resilience.
And we've got the Nude Sticks blush here in the shade Sweet Cheeks, and it's a dewy blush.
I also got this brush from Makeup by Mario, which is so handy.
We've got a House Labs Lippy. I have the shade Guava.
And I have Praline.
And last up, we've got this little baby palette from Natasha Denona, and it's full of cool tone shades. Perfect for a basic makeup look.
It doesn't just stop there because we also have teen skincare. First of all, Ever Eden, which is great for kids and teens. This is their Cloud face wash. And we've also got Indu, which is a brand new brand that launched in Sephora. And this is great for teen skincare, and this is their cleansing pad.
For my girlies who love tanning, this is a tan you can get in 10 minutes.
We have the Ray Golden Nectar Manuka Honey Enzyme Cleanser. Is this not the most luxe cleanser you've ever seen? This one is a gentle exfoliation because it has the AHA and glycolic acid, but it also can remove all your makeup and oils and impurities.
That sounds like an amazing cleanser. Last but not least, we've got 2 moisturizers from Sephora's Hydrate range, which are perfect for normal to dry skin.
So which one are you most excited to try?